So I'm gonna do my top 5 favorite tools from Harbor Freight. That's under $30. I use this a lot. I think I only paid maybe 21, 22. I can't remember how much it was. I even got it on sale. But I've used this a lot. Only had to replace it one time. It wasn't clicking. I got it in 21 and I replaced it last year. So I had it for 3 years before I had to replace it. It's good too. Never had any problems with it. So that's gonna be number 1. My second tool. Favorite tool from Harbor Freight. Under $30. It's this right here. Breaker bar. It's a great tool. Got this in 21. So I had it for 4 years. Never had a problem with it. My number 3 favorite tool. The Stendo. I just got this year. I haven't used it that much, but I've used it a couple of times and I like it. Great tool. My number 4. I think I got this for $5 when they had a sale. Great tool. Use this for my lawnmower. And my number 5 favorite tool under $30 from Harbor Freight are these. Half-inch drives. I got these when I got the breaker bar. And I had them for 4 years and used them plenty of times. Great tool. Great cheap tool.